Hey everyone, my name is Danny and I am one of the Medicare advisors at Sunflower Insurance Solutions. Today we're going to talk about cancer insurance policies, what they are, how they work, and why you need one even if you already have great health insurance. So we're going to start by talking about some statistics. Cancer is now the second most common cause of death. It accounts for 1 out of every 4 deaths. It impacts 1 out of every 2 men and 1 out of every 3 women. Those statistics should make it pretty clear why everyone needs a cancer insurance policy, but let's also talk about how often these plans get utilized compared to other types of coverage. For example, homeowners use their home insurance policy in 0.04% of cases. Auto insurance gets used at a rate of 0.06%. Cancer insurance, on the other hand, is used in 40% of all cases. That means that you are 100 times more likely to need a cancer insurance policy than you are your home insurance. Yet we all take homeowners insurance for granted. So why not cancer insurance? Now, many of you already have great health insurance coverage, and you might wonder why you need a cancer insurance policy on top of that coverage. Simply put, your health insurance is not going to cover everything you need in the case of a cancer diagnosis. For example, you might have to travel, so you're going to be paying for hotels, food, gas. You might need someone to take care of your kids or your pets while you're gone. There's a good chance that if you're working, you're going to be missing work, or maybe your spouse is missing work to be with you. A cancer insurance policy is going to cover all of those indirect costs we don't always think about right away. Many of our clients are currently on some sort of Medicare, so let's take a look at a Medicare supplement first. Your supplement is going to offer you great coverage, but it's not going to cover those indirect costs that we just talked about, and it is also not going to cover any experimental treatment that you may want. If you're a Medicare beneficiary that has an Advantage plan, you're looking at even more out-of-pocket expenses. You'll have costs every time you go to treatment, and you'll probably pretty quickly meet your maximum out-of-pocket, which could be several $1,000s for the year. In addition, on the Medicare Advantage plans, you may want to see a specialist who's not in your plan's network. In that case, you're going to be paying even higher out-of-pocket expenses, or you may even be responsible for the entire bill. Whether you're on a Medicare supplement or a Medicare Advantage plan, your prescription drug costs are also going to increase. As you can imagine, you'll be taking quite a few medications if you do get cancer. These specialty brand name drugs can cost anywhere between $7,000 and $10,000 for the year. And remember, there's no out-of-pocket maximum on prescription drug coverage, so those costs will add up quickly. The cancer policies that we offer are lump sum payout plans. That means as soon as you have a cancer diagnosis, that policy is going to pay out the maximum benefits directly to you, so you can use it however you need to. For example, if you purchase a $20,000 policy, if you are diagnosed with cancer, that insurance company gives you $20,000. You can use that on treatment, medications, transportation, however you need to. Premiums are based on the age you are when you purchase a policy. And if you include your spouse, both of you will enjoy the lower premiums of the younger spouse's age. You can also add kids to these plans for a very small increase in premium. We simply cannot recommend these plans enough. If you are interested in getting a quote, call Sunflower Insurance Solutions at 785-301-2716. Thank you for watching today. If you'd like to be notified of any new content we put out, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.